Jharkhand, a place full of hidden jewels, the place with lush greenery, rich culture, beautiful waterfalls, rolling hills, abundance of natural resources, heritage and history and much more. Instilling pride and honor in every heart with the potential that this newly formed state carries. Jharkhand has a rich variety of flora and fauna. Approximately 30% of the country's forest cover lies in Jharkhand. Jharkhand has up to 934 named mountains with a lot of significance and prominence. Place where the most serene locations and beautiful valleys are found. Nothing is quite blissful like the roar of the waterfalls of Jharkhand. It is the home to the most picturesque waterfalls, making it a paradise for every nature enthusiast. Jharkhand is endowed with spirituality and blessed liberally with religious and pilgrimage sites. The religious shrines will fill your heart with hope. Jharkhand has extensive beautiful dams that stand majestically and provides efficiency to the people of the state. The region has been inhabited since the Stone Age and has witnessed numerous stories of history through the various eras till date. Jharkhand's culture and tradition is a rich blend of tribal lifestyle as well as influence of Jainism, Buddhism, Mughals and Hindu rulers. The state has emerged as a multi-ethnic state. Jharkhand is a treasure trove of minerals and comprises 40% of the mineral wealth of the country, ranking first in the production of coal, mica, iron ore, etc., and is the richest state when it comes to natural resources. Due to the high availability of mineral resources, investment, climate, land and skilled labor, Jharkhand is blessed with the potential of being the most competitive and investment-ready state. It has a robust social, industrial and physical infrastructure, enabling stable and promising growth. Jharkhand is largely bestowed with bounties of nature, a fascinating state with luxuriant scenic beauty and exquisite natural charm. Jharkhand has a huge capacity when it comes to electricity generation, as the state is blessed with a large number of power plants. Age-old tribes are the main inhabitants of this wonderful land, with 32 tribes coexisting along with people of every sect of the society. Jharkhand is a land where the sun radiates hope. Places feel like paradise. Beauty and culture will never disappoint. Where the sunrise brings enchanted moments and sunset paints the sky. Where monsoon is graceful and the most picturesque. Where agriculture denotes prosperity and festivals are the essence of life. With the presence of top educational institutions, the state is known for providing quality education, human resource base and opportunities for all segments of the society. Jharkhand is the land where there is Netarhat, the queen of Chota Nagpur, Ganj, Mini London, Ranchi, the city of waterfalls, Dhanbad, the coal capital of India, Jamshedpur, the city of steel, Latehar, Palamu, Saraikela Kharswan, Singhbhum and many more, where primarily the land holds the large tribal population, having traditional Oud cuisine and unique food culture, having diverse and rich music and dance tradition with a blend of folk and tribal form of music and dance. Elaborate, intricate and creative works of art and handicraft, well-cultured and dynamic heritage of outfits, textiles and fabrics. Jharkhand's backbone is fully upgraded with well-connected and sufficiently strong infrastructure. Jharkhand is a land that has to be seen and experienced to be believed. Jharkhand, exhilaration, excitement, ecstasy.